Good morning. I thought I would come on really quickly and have a little chat about the embellishments I just finished making. I meant to film this process, but it ended up being a little bit longer than I expected. So the gist of it is I used some scallop punches as the bases for some little clusters. So this scallop is 1.5 inches, and the smaller scallop is 1 inch. And then I just went through and used some flower punches because it's spring. And I did some punching. I also used, this may be my favorite flower punch ever. These are the Tim Holtz, I think this is daisy and leaf punches. These are great. I also like the way they store. I like the little lock on it. And I also used a heart punch when I got bored of flowers. So that one, whoop, upside down. And I just went through my scrap bin. There was no rhyme or reason to any of this. And I picked the scraps that would have been too small to become a 3x4 or a 4x6 card. And just started punching. The little leaves I already actually had punched. That's kind of what inspired it. And I even punched a little bit of vellum. A lot of the enamel dots are my DIY enamel dots using perler beads. And then these were the hearts. And then these were the flowers that I no longer had a base for. I don't know if you can really see them. They're just layered vellum. And then I got smaller. This little heart is 5/8 of an inch on the 1 inch base, scallop base. Thought I'd try some acetate. Didn't actually go very well. The punch didn't like the acetate at all. And I also had some butterflies punched from a previous project. So I thought I would throw those on. And then all of these are just the leftovers. I don't have any plans for them yet, but I'm sure I will. All right, friends, that's it for me for today. Thanks for coming to hang out with me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for how I use some of these. Bye for now.